Amidst buffaloes and calves, tied onto the many pillars of a rich house, stands a young wife, all dressed and waiting. Finally, our hero returns. He sees his young wife upset, sweating over cooking, eyes red. As she cuts the banana leaf for a meal, even her tender fingers turn red. Realizing that he is in trouble, he pulls a guest along, hoping that her anger will be in check, and shouts, "My fair lady, see who's here. Is the meal ready?"
Nritya has chosen this song is typical of her bubbly nature. She is always on the go, like, what do I do? What is she's super energetic, always fun loving, and that kind of a thing. And now I will look forward to your dance choreography. As Deepa always says, you have internalized the entire concept and it will come out very well. I can imagine you with all the tuck 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 in the vale, is that something?
Yeah, we are eagerly waiting as to how
this is what
Vadamarapu song is going to come.
When she chose this song about Marudam Thinnai, right? I wrote it that day. It's a fertile agricultural land, the typical village scene. When she added Tandanana, Tandanana, that word, how it has to begin. She already had visualized it. And that's such a happy go kind of atmosphere. And when Priyanka suggested that that quarrel, the love quarrel could be because of another woman or something, she was not very happy to take that. She said, no, why? It could be a normal quarrel. And that shows her nature as she is, such a pure woman, very dedicated to her husband. Even in her imagination also, she would not do these kind of things because his name is Ram. So you cannot have this kind of quarrel with the Maryada Purushottam, and till the end you kept Priyanka saying, no, I don't want this reason to be the love quarrel, something else it should be.
No, it's quite fun because Nityaka had wanted two things for sure. One is she wanted to dance in the rain. Secondly, she didn't want any extramarital affair in her poem. So she was tightly holding on to it till the end. And that was coming across every time Priyanka was trying to push, but it is normal during that time to have an extramarital affair. No, but Akka, it need not be that. No, it can be something simple. That was very cute, that conversation and that discussion.
The reason why I also was too convinced on those bits where if it is another woman, just by him bringing a guest and cooking a meal, will her anger get appeased? In her thought also, she does not have all of that. So she's just angry because he's not. When Raghuram says, you can't show too much anger, don't show too much anger. So if you can't show too much anger, because I will be like raging if he has been with another woman, I guess, I don't know. So ஒரு செல்ல கோவம் காமிக்கலாம், not கெட்ட கோவம்.
அவளுடைய கோவத்தை கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்ட் பண்ணணும்னு இவன் பேசுறான். She will not show her angriness at all. Invite the guests. அது compulsory.
It's very difficult if you have a set thought in your mind and to break it and to convince yourself that this is the reason why this has to be done is quite challenging.
Because you have internalized the song, the text, the lines, the textures, and you are in that scene. So now whatever you physically respond to will flow from you.
Yeah.
So I'm really looking forward. It will come naturally. I'm confident about that.
I love the way there's actually like tempo changes and everything in. So, which is beautiful. I think because there are different the characters, he's actually got different, because the feel of it has changed with everything.
You have a good clarity of thought, Nutyaka. So I'm very sure that the work in progress and the developed piece is going to look really good. It has to be a light-hearted piece. But as you look deeply into it, the process of making the light-hearted piece is really heavy. For example, you have at least 3 characters in your poem. You have to show the hero, then the heroine, and the guest as well. So how you're going to maneuver and how your expressions and the body language is going to change is quite heavy, right? You have to imbibe the emotion of that person and the character and then change, which is the heavy bit. But I think when that, there's a scope for humor. So I'm actually really, really looking forward to how it is going to